All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Going to do a very quick market analysis because I've got somebody coming here to help us rebuild our screened porch after the tornado. Which was a while ago, but it happened. Okay, so cheers. As you're coming on, if you want to say good morning, let me know who you are, where you're tuning in from. Also, if you want market analysis like this pretty much on the daily, follow me on Facebook or x.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, we are going to get right into this here. I'm going to share my screen. Let me pull this up here. Okay. All right. So we're going to look at a chart setup called the MA Momentum chart setup. If you are a member of iCoinPro, you can click on My iCoinPro Training. Go to Micro Profit System Part 3, hit go, and you'll see it right here. You can do that at any point during your 1-week course when you're learning how to trade with the system. All right. Let's see. Mike, good morning. Troy, good morning. Glad to have you guys here. All right. So if you have the iCoinPro trading portal, which is what I'm looking at right now, got to tune in here, dial in here this morning so I can see the software's finding some potential trades. All right. Anyway, let me go ahead and load this chart layout. That's how you find it. And you click on MA Momentum. That's going to bring it up. So, wow. Okay. We're getting some red candles here today. Let's talk about what's happening. So these red and green things are called candles. They show what's happening with the price. All right. With whatever asset you're looking at. In this case, we're looking at 1-day candles. So it's showing an entire day's worth of trading here with each of these red candles. The purple, maroon, yellow, green lines, these kind of spaghetti lines, they're called moving averages. They show areas of support and resistance that are potential. All right. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Good to have everybody here on this fine Tuesday. Good afternoon. Yes. Awesome. Your AI is so damn good. I didn't get not one loss. I'm freaking out. That's awesome, man. Yeah, just follow the system. It keeps you out of trouble. Whether the market's going up, down, we do all right as long as we follow our strategy and just learn it. And listen, we've been doing this for a long time. I've been outperforming Bitcoin since September 2019. That's my yardstick. So it just takes little base hits here and there, little wins, compounding them. That's the way to go, man. It's so you can sleep at night, not be up all night watching the price of Bitcoin slowly erode away or, whatever. All right. Yes, I agree. Great job, Troy. Great job, man. That's awesome. Congrats, man. Well done. All right. So moving along here, I got to get back to this chart. We've got the shaded area is called a Bollinger Band. And one of the cool things about this chart setup is when the price action is trading primarily above all of these moving averages, in particular above this light purple moving average, then we're potentially in a bullish market, almost definitely not in a bearish market. And it's cool. You can see that kind of quickly. But on the flip side, if we're trading below all of these moving averages, in particular getting stuck below this light purple moving average, then we're potentially in a bearish market and almost definitely not in a bullish market. It's funny how this kind of mirrors the bull side of this here. It's very funny how that all works. So again, we got to process out the fear and the sellers before we can move back to a more positive trend. All right, so where are we now? Well, we really don't know, but it's not looking awesome right now. We are kind of getting stuck below this light purple moving average on the heading towards the dark side, which is not good. The market's not going to like that. Key resistance areas here look like about 85K, 85, 86. We got to recover and start trading above to potentially go for this downtrend line. This downtrend line is the boogeyman of the crypto markets right now until we pass through that with lots of volume. The market has just been selling every time that we touch it. On the downside, we got to stay above 75, 76,000. And guys, I'm going to have to jump off here in just a second. So really quickly, longs and shorts, we have, let's see what we got here. we're getting more concerned. Got to keep an eye on this. Don't want it to go over 70%, or else we could see potentially a bigger drop. And the last thing I'm just going to cover is what's hot and what's not to trade. Looks like API 3 has woken up, and that's about it. I'm going to let the software do its job and find us anything else that's hot or awesome to trade. All right, everybody, have a great day, and we'll be talking with you soon. Again, if you want to learn how to trade these crazy crypto markets, just go ahead and follow me on Facebook or x.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll give you these updates, or do our awesome free boot camp. You can get back with who introduced you to iCoinPro, or share this video with you, or send an email to support@icoinpro.com. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.